how to change language in Android phone from Arabic to English. Okay, so all that you have to do is that just look at the top of your phone where we have the notification bar and then scroll it down. Okay, and then from the left top corner you are going to see this settings. Just come and then tap on it. Okay, so when you tap on it, the settings is going to be displayed. Simply scroll down to the button. Okay, and then come here to where we have this, and then come and then tap on it. Okay, just scroll down to the button. Okay, and then after that simply come here and then come and tap on this as well. That is the languages. Okay, and then come here and then come and then tap on this as well. Okay, so when you tap on it, you have the option to come and then select English. Okay, by simply changing it from Arabic to English. Simply come and then drag on the English to the top. Okay, or simply click on the English and it is going to automatically change the language from Arabic to English, just like this one. Okay, so as you can see, it is now from Arabic to English language, as easy as that. Okay, so this is how to do it. Like the video, and then if you have any questions, leave in the comment down below, and then see you in my next video.